Narrot AI is the new kid on the block, and if you're here, you're probably wondering if it lives up to the hype. Well, you've come to the right place. In this review, I'll walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about Narrot AI, including what sets it apart from other AI tools. By the end of this, you'll have a clear understanding of whether it's the right fit for your business or personal needs. Stick around, because there's one big surprise coming at the end that you won't want to miss. First, let's talk about what Narrot AI actually does. At its core, it's designed to make content creation easier and faster by using advanced natural language processing, NLP, algorithms. Whether you're in digital marketing, content creation, or just need to crank out text quickly, this software can do it all. It's built to handle everything from generating articles and blog posts to simplifying long-form content into bite-sized, digestible pieces. But what makes it stand out is its ability to understand context and produce more human-like text. It doesn't just spit out generic content. It tailors its output based on the tone and voice you choose. If you're looking for content that's professional, conversational, or even informal, Narrot can adjust to match that. This customization is huge if you're managing multiple content channels and need everything to sound authentic. Now, one of the major selling points of Narrot AI is its speed. Unlike some other AI tools, it doesn't take forever to generate content. You can literally have a full-length article ready in minutes. And we're talking high-quality, coherent content that requires minimal tweaking. This is great for businesses that need content in bulk without sacrificing quality or spending too much time editing. The user interface is another thing that impressed me. It's sleek, clean, and intuitive. You don't need to be a tech expert to get the hang of it. I've used many AI platforms, and trust me when I say some of them can be overwhelming with complex dashboards. Narrot keeps things simple, which makes the learning curve a lot less steep for anyone just getting started with AI tools. In terms of integration, Narrot AI also shines. It works seamlessly with popular platforms like WordPress, Medium, and even Google Docs. If you're already using these tools, Narrot can easily fit into your workflow without any hiccups. Plus, the software supports a variety of export options. So whether you want to publish content directly or tweak it further, the process is smooth. But like any tool, Narrot AI isn't perfect. It's still in its early stages, and there are some minor bugs here and there. For example, it sometimes struggles with generating highly technical content, so if you're in a niche industry that requires deep expertise, you might still need to tweak things a bit more. But it's a new tool, and they're constantly improving. Another important factor to mention is pricing. Narrot offers a free version that gives you access to basic features, which is great if you're just testing the waters. However, if you want to unlock its full potential, there is a paid version with more advanced features, such as increased word limits and enhanced customization options. For the value it offers, the pricing is competitive compared to other AI software out there. Now, here's the big thing. You can try Narrot AI completely free right now. Just click the first link in the description, and you'll get access to the free version to see for yourself if it's the right tool for you. Whether you're creating content for a blog, marketing campaign, or social media posts, Narrot can save you hours of work. To wrap things up, Narrot AI is a solid choice for anyone looking to streamline their content creation process. With its quick, high-quality output and user-friendly interface, it's worth considering if you're serious about scaling your digital content. And remember, I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I've linked my recommended AI software in the description so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Give Narrot AI a try and let me know what you think in the comments below.